Nobody here at this Afro Punk Fest has blue hair. All right. Stop and speak to my sister from Ghana. One thing I want to say here, I go to Accra every year.
Okay.
I love Accra.
You love Accra?
I've been to Accra since 2008. And I love Accra, the people. It feels like home to me. Listen, even the other side, Accra there, Cape Coast, Kumasi, I've been everywhere. As a Congolese man, I love my Ghanaian.
Okay, can you please tell us your name and where you're originally coming from?
My name is Eddie Kadi. I am from Congo, the DRC. That's where I'm from.
I heard it that you're a comedian,
yes,
isn't it?
I'm a comedian. I've been a comedian for over 20 years.
Here or home?
And here in the UK. I moved to the UK when I was 9 years old. So I spent most of my life here. My comedy kicked off here after I graduated.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
You say you have been in Ghana?
Yes, I have.
And how do you rate Ghana?
Oh no, Ghana's phenomenal. Even now that it's been so open to the rest of the continent, the president recently, made it a visa-free zone, which is a beautiful thing. But Ghanaians have always looked after me. I feel at home when I'm in Ghana. I'm able to walk around, have a great time. We know in the last few years, the tourism has gone up because they made it very comfortable for everybody around the world. And really, it was one of the gateways into Africa. For some people, Ghana was the first time in Africa. It's a beautiful thing, and that's how I want it to be for my people in the DRC as well.
Fantastic. I want to ask you again, what do you do for living? And explain it. I want to know, just give, for example, just give me a little bit show.
A show, I'll be honest, I'm a comedian, number one. A show is expensive.
Oh, just little bit, just little bit.
No, but okay, so I'll tell you this. I just like the way Ghanaians speak.
All right.
You know what I like about Ghanaians? Ghanaians are the only people in Africa. When they speak, it's like they're singing. Oh, child. Oh, right then. Oh, so I'm going to Kumasi.
Oh.
They always bounce like the Ghanaians.
All right. Oh, that's good.
I also do the Afrobeat talk show on BBC Radio 1 Extra. And you can listen to me every Sunday presenting the biggest African songs in the UK.
Okay. What I want to know is, are you willing to, if somebody doing some program, you need comedian, are you willing to, the person to invite you or come and take you as you just go
it's
to perform?
If the conversation is correct, why not?
Okay, then do you have any telephone number, email, Facebook,
Instagram,
anything? Okay.
Instagram, Eddie Kadi, Comedy Kadi. So my name is Eddie. So you put C-O-M, the Eddie, E-D-D-I-E, Kadi, K-A-D-I. You can send me a DM.
Okay, I want you to tell us again that you are ready for the show, for the events, for the blah blah. So then
I'm ready for you to invite me. Yeah, if we do good business, I'm a good businessman.
That is good. That is good. All right, send your lovely greetings to your family here and abroad, friends, fans.
Eddie, I would like to say hello to everybody, all my people around the continent, my people in the DRC, in Burkina Faso, in Ghana, in Nigeria, in South Africa, everywhere around the world, and also my family here. I love you all. May I say why?
Yo, yes, yeah, that's it. You appear on Julie Ju TV.
Julie Ju TV.
Julie Ju TV on YouTube. We are on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram.
Julie Ju TV, so on everything. Thank you for having me, and I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Papa,